Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Subaru Forester wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, you'll need to locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade assembly where it connects to the arm. This tab is key to releasing the old blade. Once you've found the release tab, press it firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook arm. It might require a little wiggle, but don't force it. Make sure to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. With the new blade securely in place, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Forester. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your wipers to test their function and ensure they clear your windshield effectively. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.